Okay, the mutual fund worksheet. I'm going to walk you through what you're going to be doing here. You'll notice here I've given you 7 step-by-step instructions for completing this. But we're going to go, or you're going to access or do your research using Yahoo Finance. So we'll go over here to Yahoo Finance. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on here, My Screeners. And we're going to go down and you're going to click on Mutual Fund Screener. Then from here, there's some variables down here that you can choose from. So let's click on Leave NASDAQ as one of the exchanges, and then also click on the New York Stock Exchange, 2 common places where mutual funds are traded. The category name. There are several different types of mutual funds that you can evaluate. So let's look at, how about some international funds? So let's scroll down here and let's look at Pacific Asia, over here excluding Japan. Let's also look at, I want to look at smaller companies. Emerging markets can be riskier. So I'm going to diversified emerging markets. You can click on any of these. Let's try small growth companies too. Okay, fund families. Several different companies that sell mutual funds and are in this business. So a few that you might be really familiar with might be Fidelity. You've probably seen some commercials for Fidelity. So I'm going to say click on Fidelity, Goldman Sachs. You can click on any variety of these. Morningstar performance rating, 5 being the overall rating. I'm going to click on both 4 and 5. And then find mutual funds that meet that criteria. And then when you scroll down, you'll see several different types of mutual funds with some information. So I'm going to click on this first one, Fidelity Series Emerging Markets. And this is where you're going to get the information to fill out your worksheet. So if I go back to the worksheet here, I'm asking you to tell me what the category is, what is the name of the mutual fund as well as the ticker symbol, the fund family, the year-to-date return, the Morningstar style box, and a list of the few holdings. So let's go back here. Click on Profile to get the information that I want you to use to fill out the worksheet. So the name of this mutual fund is Fidelity Series Emerging Markets Ops. The ticker symbol, mutual funds always have a 5-letter ticker. It's FEMSX right here. If you want to read more specifically about what the mutual fund invests in, you'll get that information over here in the fund summary. I've asked you to tell me what the category is. It's diversified emerging markets. Year-to-date return, it's down 3.83%. The Morningstar style box. This invests in a blend of both value and growth companies. And the companies are large. So large companies, both value and growth. So that should help you complete that worksheet.